Hello, Dembele family. Today I'm going to talk about TCL brand. You know, a lot of people or a lot of our customers have been asking us about TCL TVs. So today I'm going to be explaining the details of TCL brand when it comes to TVs. This is an Android TV, but when you're going to buy an Android TV or TCL TVs, it has two TVs specifications. It has Android, then digital. What do I mean when I talk about the digital TVs? The digital TVs, these are the ones that have inbuilt free-to-air decoder. They have USB, they have HDMI, then they have DTV. Those are the specifications when it comes to a digital TV from TCL brand. Then when it goes to the Android TVs in the TCL brand, then I'm talking about the what? The smart TVs. I want to be showing you today that we have different sizes, ranging from 32 inches, 40 inches, 43 inches, 50 inches, 55 inches. And those, when it comes to the 50 inches, we have the 50 inches UHD, and then that one of 50 inches QLED. When it comes to the 55 inches, it also has a UHD, then it also has and a QLED. So when you're going to buy, first consider those specifications I'm going to be telling you today. When it comes to the Android TVs, I won't go far. I was telling you about the sizes, and then I went to the specifications. Like these Android TVs, they have different specifications. For them, they are smart TVs, so it means you can use your internet connection, you can go on YouTube, you can go Netflix, and they also have inbuilt DSTV. So those people who like watching DSTV channels, Super Sports, you're now home. This is the best home of entertainment you can ever have in your home. So it's better you come and run for this TCL brand. It is so special. You know, a lot of people have been asking us about the Android TVs. So this is also among the Android TVs you can ever want to buy. So if you want to buy it for your business, your home, you want to set up a cinema hall, you want to use it in your cafe, in your restaurant, in your hotel, in your home, kitchen, bed, anywhere you would ever want to place it, TCL brand is the best brand I can refer you to. So it's better you come running. It has different specifications: USB ports, Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi, Dolby audios, HDMI port. So you will be having the best collection you can ever want on your TV. So it's what I can recommend you guys to come and get the best TVs here at Dombelo, Uganda, because we are located at Musisi Complex, near Quality Chemicals or near Galaxy Motel. If you want to download apps, this is the best TV you can ever want, because it has enough storage. Depending on the software it is having, it's what in the different sizes, starting from Android version 11 up to going upwards, is when this TCL starts. It's when it's the software capacity these TVs are having. Software that I'm talking about is Android 11 going upwards. These are also like TVs. You can do anything. You want to learn using YouTube, you want to learn using Google, you want to learn using anything that you would ever want to learn. This is like a phone. So use it very well to advance your home experience of watching. Entertainment must be improved.